And the tow truck left that there, messed up the ground a little bit, I think. So, will it pull it? Will the T100 from 1996, will it pull that pile of whatever out and move it in that hole there using a very durable tow strap? I get the Saab hooked up, so I'm gonna move that. Tell you, this T100 and four-wheel drive on the ice, she goes. And it just hit the bumper there, but it's okay. I don't like this vehicle. Now I got these two dumpy cars. Like that one was there, and then the Saab was there, where there's no ice. And now it's over there, and I don't know. People just leave stuff here. So now I did all that so I could drift around this, because that is all ice. And so when that Isuzu was here, I can't come flying in and drift. So I'm gonna leave this going and edit it. We're gonna get a good drift here. That's what I did, folks. Breaking multiple things. I got it. I got stuck here, but basically if I unhook it, we're good. But yeah, I had to tie all these together because some person decided I must